Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my...
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do head wraps, okay? So recently I went to Walmart, and you know I love buying things that are on clearance. And I was thinking, I saw these kimonos. I was like, you know what? I think I could use this as a head wrap. So I bought it. I bought two. One is this tie-dye green one, and then I have another brown one, which I'll be showing you later on in this video. So basically, I'm going to show you how I took this kimono and made it into a headscarf. So you see where you see where the sleeve is, right? You want to rip that open, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other sleeve. So you're just going to rip it. And then after that, once you look at the fabric, you're gonna notice that it's literally just one big piece of fabric with a slit in the middle. So you wanna take it and fold it in half, and then you wanna take your scissors and cut right where the slit is at. So it could be two pieces of long fabric, which will be two pieces of scarf, or two scarves. So as you can see, all I'm doing is cutting it straight up the middle, and then I'm gonna have two pieces of long fabric, which are gonna be my scarves. This one, the thread started coming out a little bit, but that's not a problem at all. You see, now you have one long scarf. I was so excited that this worked because I always wanted to do, like, you know, those big head wraps, those big scarves and stuff like that. Like, I've always wanted to do this kind of wrap, but could never find scarves that big. I don't know where people find scarves that big. But honestly, now that I think about it, you could just go to whatever fabric store and get a yard of fabric, and that's your scarf. So moving on, the first head wrap style is basically you're just gonna put it on your head. You're gonna make sure it's even on both sides. Then you're gonna tie it in the back, as you can see. And then you're gonna take one side and start twisting it. And once you're done twisting it, you're gonna wrap it around your head and just find somewhere to tuck it. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. You're gonna twist the other side and then wrap it the other way around your head, and then you're just gonna find somewhere to tuck it. Twist, 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 and then you wrap it. Find somewhere to tuck it, and boom, there goes your first head wrap. There goes your first head wrap. It's that easy. And of course, you want to adjust it to your liking. And I would have adjusted it more, but from where I was sitting, it looked perfectly fine. But on camera, it looked like it needs to be adjusted just a tad bit. But I really do like this. It's so cute. Stop playing with me. And it really goes with my locks. Y'all, what y'all think about my locks? Like, I'm definitely gonna have these locks in for at least a month and a half. I never really keep my styles in for over a month, but this one I'm gonna keep in for a month and a half. Like, I really love these locks. Okay, so moving on to our next scarf. You see, it's the brown one that I was telling you guys. It's not really brown, it's like a cognac color, but anyway, this scarf is really cute too. So, well, it's actually a kimono that I'm cutting in half, as you guys can see, and boom, I got my long scarf. Too excited. And I'm just gonna start my second style. Once again, you're gonna start off by, you know, putting it on your head and tying it on the back. Make sure both sides are even. And this style, you guys, this one is the one you wear in Dubai, okay? And I'm not even being funny, but hear me out. Go on Instagram and hashtag Dubai, or even go on YouTube and hashtag Dubai. You're gonna see everybody with their scarves wrapped just like this. But anyway, the way you do it is basically you're just taking it and you're making sure the fabric is flat, and you're laying it across the front of your head, and you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And if you don't understand what I mean when I say just find somewhere to tuck it, you could see in the corner, in the right corner in the mirror, where I'm literally just tucking it. So if you rewind back, you can see that I'm literally just tucking it somewhere. I'm finding somewhere to tuck it. I'm just tucking it. But this is the second style, and you cannot tell me when the girls go to Dubai, their hair do not be wrapped like this. It be wrapped exactly like this because they be thinking they from Dubai, but it's okay. But anyway, I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing. Moving on, I'm going to repeat the first style, and you guys, it looks way better with this scarf. Actually, they both look really cute, but I think it looks way better with this scarf. Tell me what you guys think. Comment below. Tell me what you think. Does this style look better with this scarf, or does it look better with the green scarf? Or do they both look nice to you guys? I don't know. I think I'm liking this one better. Or does it look horrible all the way around? Does it look bad, you guys? Let me know. Comment down below. Does it look bad? Or does it look good? Or what y'all think? Would y'all wear this? I don't know. I think I would wear it. I think I like it. What y'all think? All right, so moving on. It's time to bun it up. Time to bun it up. These were really my favorite headscarf styles. So basically, we're just gonna bun our hair up. And you guys, I've seen people just use, if you don't have a bun, I've seen people just use like fake buns, plop it on top of their head, and do this style with no problem. So I don't want to hear that you don't got no hair or you can't bun your hair, because I've seen people do it with no hair, okay? All right, so you want to take your scarf and you want to wrap it around the back of your head, but don't fully cover your bun. And okay, from here, I'm going to let you guys watch a video because it's a little bit difficult for me to explain. So I'm going to let you guys watch the video so you can fully grasp exactly what is happening so you can get your head scarves perfectly, okay? So boom, here's the third style. What y'all think about this? I am in love. Like seriously, why haven't I been wrapping my hair like this before? Anyway, y'all, tell me what y'all think about this wrap. I didn't think I could do this. It's literally so easy. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all another way you can wrap your head. Okay, so here's another way you could tie your head wrap. What do you think? Tell me what you think about this one. It's pretty much the same way as the first one with a little twist in the front. As you can tell, I'm feeling this one too. But on to the next wrap. This one is pretty much the same thing as the last one I just showed you, but you're covering your whole bun. So tell me what you think about this style. This one was really my favorite style. I just really didn't care for the scarf on this one, but I do change it to the brown scarf, and I actually like the brown scarf way better. And I try to jazz it up a little bit. I tried to pull some curls out to make it look a little bit cuter or whatever. But yes, the brown one with that exact style. Yes, this is the one. I really love this one, y'all, especially with the brown scarf, y'all. I mean, especially with the curls coming out. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love this, y'all. I'm really gonna be wrapping my hair like this. Like, stop playing with me. And you don't have to use a super thick scarf. Right here, I'm showing you that you can use a thin scarf. This one was really thin. Like, this one's like one of the scarves that you use to wrap your hair at night. So and it was long. So I'm just showing you that you do the same style, same way, and then get the same results. And this one I really love because I kept this one. This was the last one I recorded, and I kept this one on all day long. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. This one was my favorite. And I know I say all of them are my favorite, but what can I say? They all look good. What can I say? They all look good. But anyway, this is the end of my video. Comment down below what you want to see in my next video. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my